Hello everyone, here we are again for another session of Seller's Choice Tutorials. In this tutorial, we will learn how to fulfill complete orders manually on Shopify. Once you receive an order and has been paid in full, it is your duty to fulfill it right away. For most stores, it makes the sense to manually fulfill your orders. This way, you can control when they are sent out and helps you keep close control and calibration of your inventory. Manually fulfilling orders lets you easily keep track of your inventory and control when an order is sent. Manually fulfilling orders might be the best order fulfillment method if you make products to order, have products available for pre-order, sometimes run out of stock, or just want to be able to easily offer your customers partial fulfillment without having to issue a refund. Now let us walk you through on how to do this. So let's get started. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. You need to access your Shopify admin first. Visit www.shopify.com. Once you're in, click the Orders section on the left to access all your orders. This is where you should see all the orders that have been completed on your website. All of the unfulfilled statuses needs to be fulfilled. Click the order that you wish to fulfill to access the order details. Click the Mark as Fulfilled button under the item. Add the tracking number and select the carrier. If you select others, just add the tracking URL of your shipment. Shopify might recognize the tracking number format and choose a shipping carrier for you. If it doesn't, or if it chooses incorrectly, then select your shipping carrier from the shipping carrier drop-down menu. Click the Fulfill Items button on the right side to complete the fulfillment. You should see a call-out that would appear at the bottom saying that the line item has been fulfilled. After you have completed the fulfillment, your customer will automatically receive an email informing him on the update of his order. So that's it. That's how you manually complete an order in Shopify. Just so you know that we have a lot of tutorials and webinars on bits of advice on how to run and the applicable techniques for your e-commerce business. You can always visit our site at sellerschoice.agency and browse through our huge compilations of webinars, tutorials, and blogs. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay tuned. See you soon!